In this interesting and wonderful nature, there are many lovely and funny animals. My favorite animal is the giant panda. It is China's national treasure. It is very popular not only in China but also in the world, because it is not only very rare, but also has lived on the earth for at least 8 million years, which can be said to be a living fossil. Giant pandas are chubby and can eat a lot of food at one time. It also has a very powerful digestive function, that is to digest bamboo, which is mainly composed of cellulose. Most animals can't digest cellulose, but giant pandas can. They are very docile. They generally do not take the initiative to launch attacks. Giant pandas were originally carnivores. According to the analysis of anatomical data, many organs of giant pandas still retain the characteristics of carnivores, such as short digestive tract and no cecum. And although giant pandas like to eat bamboo, there is no gene in giant pandas to digest bamboo fiber. According to research and analysis, the giant panda in ancient times may be much larger than it is now, and it is a fierce predator. However, due to environmental changes and other reasons, there are fewer animals available for hunting, while other carnivores have been extinct one by one. In order to survive, giant pandas began to eat plants and become vegetarians. It is also important to note that although giant pandas retain the ability to digest meat in the process of evolution, a gene called T1R1 has been lost in the body, which leads to the inability of giant pandas to distinguish meat flavor. Although the giant panda is not aggressive by nature, its size and tonnage are there after all. If you want to know whether a giant panda is a bear or a cat, and if a giant panda can chew hard bamboo, you will know how amazing its bite force is. The bite force of the giant panda is 800 pounds, second only to the largest polar bear and brown bear. But the size of the giant panda ranks the second from the bottom. It is amazing that the size of the giant panda has such bite force. Giant pandas that eat bamboo for a living have no genes to digest bamboo. This makes the bamboo fiber eaten can only be digested by intestinal flora, which also makes the energy consumed by giant pandas through bamboo very small, and the digestion rate is only 17%. This makes giant pandas spend 14 hours a day eating 12-38 kg of bamboo. And in order to prevent energy loss, giant pandas spend the rest of their time sleeping. This is also the reason why the giant panda moves slowly. It is not that it is unwilling to run, but that it is too hungry after exercising. Although giant pandas have taken bamboo as their staple food, they still retain sharp tusks and claws. Although the aggressiveness of giant pandas has been greatly reduced, giant pandas will also eat meat under extreme hunger. For example, giant pandas in the wild will eat bamboo rats. It has also been reported that wild giant pandas steal villagers' goats. Although the giant panda is usually very docile, it is a wild animal after all. Wild animals are territorial conscious. If tourists are too close to them or enter their territory by mistake, giant pandas may mistakenly think that this is a signal that people are going to attack, and they will attack people. The giant panda is a rare animal in the world. It is very precious and symbolizes peace and friendship. So we should protect its living environment, cherish it, and let it accompany us forever. If you like our program, please subscribe. Thank you for watching our program. See you next time.